Hi everyone, Emily with MarineMax Nisswa here. We just got in a 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX. Everything about this boat is very luxurious, also very easy to keep clean. I'm going to show you the snap-in carpet, which very easy to take in and out and keep this boat very low maintenance. There is storage underneath all these seats, which I also like, and you also have a lot of in-floor storage as well, including batteries in here. Huge ski tow locker going all the way up to the bow. There is a 6.2 liter Mercruiser in here, 350 horse, plenty of horsepower for your day. What I love about this SLX is how wide the co-captain and captain seat are, and you have your bolster seat, making it very easy to see either up on the bolster or sitting down. Wireless charger at the helm. You have your DTS throttle, trim tabs. We have a dual SIMRAD display on this boat, and you got a lot of storage. You can put a little pop-in porta potty in here if you would like, or just keep it to store all your belongings for the day. Coming into the bow of the boat, I love these armrests. Very nice spot to come hang out. I also love the sleek look of these speakers, integrated very nicely into the boat. This boat is available to come take a peek at today at MarineMax Nisswa, or visit it on our website.